Do you want to share a template to someone? In this video, I'll help solve that problem. Now, the reason why you maybe want to share a template could be because you want to share it and sell it to someone or your audience. You can do so by selling it on a digital e-commerce tool like Gumroad, Payhip, Lemon Squeezy, and more. Now let's head over to Notion.so and let's see how to do that. Let's take an example of this page here that I have created. Maybe I want to share this page and I want to sell it. So just click it, head over inside the page, and on the top right corner, you're going to find share. Click it again. And inside this, under the share, you have emails. We don't want to do this right now, or you can do it if you want to share it with a specific person. Click on this invite only, and anyone with the link add my account's Notion. People invited and workspace members with link can access. Let's just do this. Members with a link, full access. Now all you need to do is copy the link. This page has workspace access, so anyone in the workspace will be able to view the link. Let's copy this link. Now, if you put it inside a PDF file, provide it to your audience when they purchase your product on Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, or somewhere else, they will be able to click on it and they will be able to duplicate this page and use it. Or if you want to be private and secretive, you could, every time someone purchases your Notion template, you could just go over here, add them to your email, and that way if someone takes your product and try to sell it online, they would not be able to do that. But then there are loopholes to that as well. So this is up to you. If you want to do this, you can just do it this two ways. So this is how you can share a template to someone in Notion. Did this help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.